Video number 4. Are businesses doing video marketing? Yes, businesses are using videos to advertise their products and services. Here are some businesses that use video marketing to inform their audience about their brand. RevZilla. Founded in 2007, RevZilla Motorsports is a premium in-store and online shopping experience for motorcycle lovers who are looking for helmets, gear, motorcycle jackets, and other accessories. Anthony Bucci says, YouTube connects us with our customers. We use our own voice, not a corporate one, and our customers love us for that. They use product guide videos, safety tip videos, and knowledge-driven videos of their services. These videos have consistently increased their subscriptions, customer loyalty, and repeat customers. What they did is launch a dedicated video channel with TrueView ad campaign to guide their new and old customers. They increased their traffic from videos and landed them on their e-commerce website. Also, they focused on customer loyalty. They get 7 million views on their branded channel. With YouTube promotion videos, RevZilla tripled their subscriber base in just a few months. And they've achieved 50% growth in their revenue. Rokenbok. Rokenbok is a high-end robotic toys and construction systems company. When the economy shifted, they needed new ways to reach their customers and demonstrate how to operate Rokenbok toys. Icon says, YouTube is becoming our most important vehicle for advertising. We've transformed ourselves into a classic toy store with only sales online. They started uploading on YouTube using TrueView in search engine and display ads. The aim of Rokenbok was to find new platforms to demonstrate its toys, build relationships with customers, and drive sales with their online e-commerce website. They built a YouTube channel with videos based on fun and education to target families. They targeted the key demographics of viewers who search for construction and train-related videos. They focused on a consistent message to build a relationship with the customers and viewers. The results are pretty great. YouTube became the #1 source of traffic for Rokenbok, as 50% of customers came from YouTube. American Airlines. American Air recently launched a documentary-style video series on YouTube named Behind the Scene to answer the questions of its customers like, where does a bag go after it's checked, what's involved in taking delivery of a new plane, and why do airfares change so much, etc. The creative manager of social marketing, John Bird, said that airlines are massive organizations, but American Airlines is the world's largest airlines organization. There are some messages that are tough to convey, but the ability to create videos can help to make them easier understood. These videos are not the traditional advertisement to use for visitors booking a flight with American Airlines. The goal of these videos is not lead generation. These videos are built to increase brand awareness of American Airlines as a responsive and transparent brand. The Home Depot. Home Depot stands out in their niche market because they publish relevant content for their brand. They know that free educational video content established Home Depot as a trusted brand. They can promote their products and services and sell them with product placement instead of pitching them in videos or commercial-style pitching. Home Depot humanizes its faceless corporation. Home Depot includes their employees in their advertisement campaign. Home Depot makes its tutorials simple with straight talking and employees who wear an orange apron and work in their stores to make it more personal. Ibis. When Accor, Europe's largest hotels operator, decided to launch its Ibis brand again, it turned to YouTube videos to get a lift in viewers. More than 100 videos are created by Ibis hotels, and many of them have more than 1 million views. Ibis videos are short, and they use old standby videos of cute baby animals to make audiences watch. Ibis uses videos to increase its brand awareness and promote its products and services.